All right, practice problem 1. Let's see how you did. So when I look at my x's, I have a 3 and a 2. And when I look at my y's, I have a 3 and a 4. So I'm going to have to multiply both equations. I'm going to pick the smaller numbers just because I think that's easier. So I'm going to work with the 3 and the 2. I know that I can make those both equal 6. So the first equation will get multiplied by 2, and the second equation will get multiplied by 3. So this will be 6x plus 8y equals negative 50. This is usually where we forget to multiply at the end. Don't forget that last number. And the second equation will be 6x minus 9y equals 18. So fancy bracket. So 6x and 6x are the exact same sign, so we're going to subtract to eliminate these x's. Then I have 8 minus a negative means 8 plus. So 8 plus 9 is 17. And then negative 50 minus 18 is negative 68. I think this goes in evenly. Yeah, so 4 times. So we're going to divide by 17 to get y is negative 4. Now, which equation do I like? The second one, the numbers are smaller. So I'm going to use this equation, even though the y is negative, because I don't want to have to deal with a negative 25. So I know what y is, not what x is. So this is negative 3. And y is negative 4. So this is 2x plus 12 equals 6. Subtract 12, losing my voice, sorry. Negative 6, divide by 2. X is negative 3. So I think the answer is negative 3, negative 4. Let's go to the next slide and check our work. Remember, x is first and y is second. Let's do the setup. Parentheses for variables. Instead of x, negative 3. Instead of y, negative 4. This is negative 12 and negative 9. I was like, that's not going to work. This is negative 9 and negative 16, which is negative 25. So the first one works. And then the setup, parentheses instead of variables. Instead of x, negative 3. Instead of y, negative 4. This is negative 6. Minus a negative means plus 12, which gives me positive 6. They both work out. This is the answer. 2 more practice problems.